I've heard that you have been a driving instructor since last 15 years, and I'm very curious to know how a day in the life of a driving instructor looks like.
Being a driving instructor, life is full of challenges, right? Even if though I'm having a lot of experience, still every day is new for me. First of all, reaching to the student well in time. That's the big challenge in like at the like exact time you have to reach the student. And then you are dealing with customers, and those customers are all students, right? They are mostly teenagers are there that we have to deal with, as well as a person of 60-year-old as well, who people have to give road test. So we have to satisfy everyone according to their needs. Driving instructor should be a teacher also. He's a teacher also, so that he should know the learning ability of the student. So you have to be like, consistency should be there, as well as the quality matters. And the other thing is you have to be alert on the road, because you are playing with fire, you are playing with life on the road. So you have to be very, very alert on the road. Whatever, like, even if for a few minutes, if your focus is not there on the student, the driver starts doing something wrong. So there can be accidents happens in a blink of an eye. So it's not too much time is there when accident can happen. So you have to be very much alert on the road. And the other thing is, whatever mood swings you have, anything you have, that I think in every job it's there. But as a driving instructor also, you have not to show any emotions to your students. Whether you are nervous, their road test is there. We do are nervous on those days when they have road test. But we are not to show our emotions to them. Otherwise there will be double nervousness. So we have to be really, really like showing them our calm and doing the things till they pass the test. We should be showing our patience, calmness, and then after the test we are, yay, we are so happy, they have passed the test, we can show our emotions.
Yeah. And what are the challenges that you face as a female driving instructor?
I don't think so. People in Canada, they are very respectful. I don't think so there is any challenge. Otherwise, I would not have done this profession. I would not have adopted. Yeah, as a female driving instructor, people, rather the ladies, they really compliment me. They give me confidence. They really flatter me by saying that they are happy that they have got a female driving instructor, because I think so some people, they have different reasons for that. Some people want to have female driving instructor because their religion doesn't allow them to have men as their instructor. And the other thing is, sometimes people think that female are more soft and they will not be like very aggressive while teaching. So that's the reason they prefer female driving instructors. So I don't think there is much challenge as a female driving instructor. Yeah, people really respect me. I don't think so there is any challenge.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your views.